I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're opening bin number 11, which is my lucky number. Excited to dive into this one. I could tell from seeing from the outside that this is a bunch more dies, metal dies. I still haven't gone through the ones from the other bins to decide what I'm keeping, but I'm not keeping everything. I know I said it was, but obviously I'm not. I'm gonna pick out my favorites and put the rest in the shop. So this will give me a whole nother stash to choose from as well. These ones are a bit dusty. Maybe these weren't ones that were used as often, but there's lots of fun designs here as well. I am definitely more into the florals, so I'll probably be picking just a few of my favorite flower ones and a few of like the stamp die sets. Again, probably just florals, probably not everything. So this is great. I mean, I can't believe how many there are, and this whole bin is full. There's other stuff in here too, but these just top few containers here have so much, and I like that she put them in CD cases. Everyone keeps talking about the incredible organization. This is a great idea. We've tried to figure out like different ways to display these in our store, and what we end up doing is just kind of putting them in a like clear sleeve with a little cardboard backing, but this is like a great way, and they're easy to flip through. Let's see what else is in here. Aw. Very dusty though. My fingers, oh, you probably can't tell. My fingers are very dirty now. Oh, just an itty bitty little dragonfly. Very cute. Oh my gosh, there's a whole second layer of these. Maybe I will show more. Let's see what else is in here though. We've got some silver shiny reflective tape. Not quite sure what this is used for. Probably, I don't know, probably whatever you feel like using it for. Shiny tape. Speaking of shiny, we got some shiny sequined ribbon here as well. And some polyester glitter. I love that color. It's like a nice hot pink. Oh my gosh. I love the Nuvo line in general. I haven't had the opportunity to play with a lot of stuff from it. I have the Nuvo drops, which I use for embellishment on my greeting cards. And this is Nuvo Glimmer. Okay, hold on. I almost have to see. Oh, ouch. Oh my gosh, that's on there really tight. Oh, it's dried out. Not all the way though. Not all the way. I'm gonna have to clean my hands anyways because they're kind of grimy, but let me see. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay. See, wow. I look really pale because of the light. Just shiny, glittery paste. Okay, now I'm gonna be covered in glitter, but you know what? I'm not one of those people who get upset by being covered in glitter. You could probably, I don't recommend this, but you could probably throw a glitter bomb at me and I'd be like, glitter! Shinies! We also have some more of these Posca colors in these boxes. Everyone was also asking where these boxes are from. The brand is called Click Box, K-L-I-C, and I looked them up to see what price they were going for. They're not very expensive. I ended up selling a bunch in my shop, but I kind of regret it because now I wish I kept them. I just scratched my face. I did keep a few though for my own collection, so I will probably keep any more that we find because again, I wish I didn't sell the other ones. They're great for storing markers and all sorts of other stuff. So let's see what colors we got in here. I haven't been keeping the Posca markers either. I kept a few of like the glittery ones, but these will be for sale in our shop. And if you are new here, if you're new to the series, my name is Stephanie. I don't even know if I've given my name in the series really much, if at all. And I recently bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, just like I said at the beginning. It's kind of bittersweet. Obviously, she didn't want to have to part with all of her stuff, but she is moving to be closer to her family, which is always a good thing. She's moving out of state. For everyone asking why she couldn't take everything with her, it was a lot. It was a whole house full. She did, ooh, Zentangle, interesting. She did keep a bookshelf worth of stuff. I was saying a bit or two, but I recently talked to her daughter for a bit, and she did say that she's keeping a bookshelf worth. So she will still be crafting, obviously just not as much as she has been used to. And I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin located in Tampa, Florida. So she asked me to purchase them and resell them so that she can make sure they went to a good home. We bonded. She was incredible. Obviously, she was sad about leaving her stuff, but our meeting felt very serendipitous, like it was arranged by someone in heaven, like it was arranged by the universe, and we hugged and cried and shared memories and laughed, and she was just so happy that her collection's going to be appreciated and passed along. Wow, so these, I mean, I don't know, these are fine liners, I guess, or these are for Zentangle specifically. It says Archival Ink by Pigma Micron, and there's a ton of colors in here. I'm definitely gonna have to take a better look at these and see exactly what they're used for and what they go for. It just says Archival Ink. I guess they're just Archival Ink fine liners. The back's kind of cut off, but it says quality on paper, chemical resistant, fade resistant, bleed free, quick drying, and pH neutral for fine detail and sketching, drawing, and illustration. Okay, awesome. It's so funny. They actually advertise their YouTube back there. And speaking of YouTube, this is a great segue. A lot of you have been asking me to change the filming to horizontal so that you can see the full picture on YouTube, even though it's like edited vertically or it gets filmed vertically for TikTok and Instagram. So I'm testing it today. I don't know if you'll see much of a difference. Obviously the background is different. Instead of having all the bins of supplies behind me, this is my actual recording studio. So I hope this way of filming and then editing it down vertically works out better for everyone. Everyone also is talking about how incredible this collector's organization was and her handwriting, and she literally went through and put down the millimeter of the pen and the color so that she has like a little guide. I hope you can see that well. I mean, I only aspire to be this level of organized. I know it looks like I'm organized back here, but I still have a long way to go. In fact, I was planning, after I filmed my studio tour, to do a bunch of organization videos with y'all. And that was obviously put on hold because then I got this collection and we've been busy unbinning, trying to get that word to catch on, everything here. Oh, I love these. Wait. These aren't the brand that I normally use, but I love these sort of like, they're not gel pens, they're just nice ink pens that are very smooth, and these are colors that I really like and they're pretty, and I'm gonna throw them in my little cup holder on my desk, or my pen holder, my cup holder, my pen holder. Sorry, I don't even know what I was saying, but oh yeah, the organization. I want to go through like the bins behind me, which you can't really see, and organize them even further, which is why I'm going to be keeping these type of containers. And I have a bunch of like these plastic baskets as well that I'll be using to break my collection down even further so that it's easier to find things instead of having them just piled on top of each other inside of the bins. I also got a new organizer, like one of those 20 drawer like rolling cart organizer things, so I'll be filming that as well at some point for YouTube, and then editing it down for the other platforms, so keep an eye out for that. I really don't know how I'm gonna choose what to keep and what to sell. These are metallic markers. I seriously don't know how I'm even gonna pick and choose what I'm keeping and what I'm selling. It's gonna be a very difficult task. This is definitely my dream collection, and I have to make sure that I'm making smart decisions here. We've got some Distress Embossing Glaze in Kitsch Flamingo. I think I said that right. Linen Tumarco? What's this? Linen Tumarco? Oh, okay. It's kind of hard to see on camera. It's linen paper. I guess it's made for making greeting cards. It's just like sort of a textured paper. Linen Marco. I've never heard of that. Linen Marco by Hammermill. Maybe that is the brand. And there is a random pink towel and Bob? Why are you hiding in a towel? Let's put him back in there. I think he wants a little privacy. We've got some more glimmer. This isn't, oh, it is Nuvo. Okay, another Nuvo glimmer. I'm definitely gonna play with those. And some Cosmic Shimmer Aurora Flakes. I'm afraid of opening it. Is it gonna get everywhere? Oh my gosh, it's loose. It's loose flakes. Look at those, how pretty. Oh my gosh, I swear this is heaven. This is what heaven is made out of. This is what heaven is made of. We've got some little, well, hold on. Oh, here is a birdie stamp with a cage, a bird cage. And some little kitty Christmas tags. Absolutely adorable. Glitter in mahogany. Another large stamp. That one's really, really pretty. Those are great for journaling. I love those for journaling. We've got some sort of clear film. And thin acetate. So this is used to make shaker cards. I don't know what else people use them for, but I definitely know they're used for shaker cards. We've got another little, oh, what brand is this? These are so pretty. Praying colored pencils. I will not keep these. I have a whole collection of Prismas, but that's a nice find. Some random labels, double stick tape that's going in my stash. Some more Elizabeth Craft metal dies, Christmas flowers. We've got a tiny little keychain. I wonder if this is something she made. There's like a little gnome. Do you see him? Do you see the little gnome? There's a glue gun. A ruler. A little bumblebee, no, ladybug, bumblebee, a ladybug cutout, and a ton more dies. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start. Let me see if I could kind of just go like this with them real quick. Wow. Wow. Okay, I think if I turn them this way, we should be able to just kind of lift and look quickly. Some of them are backwards, so, but they're all meticulously labeled. I mean, look at that, 2010 heirloom ornament. I'm gonna try to have to keep them together. It looks like a lot of these were sets. Oh, that one fell out. I'm gonna have to go back and fix that. Those are cute little, these are all, this whole bin is just snowflakes. I just realized that. This whole little bin is just snowflakes. I feel like you could spend hours just digging through these alone. Also, if you hear any loud noises next door, that is not me. Well, obviously it's next door. Oh, this one's all angel. This whole thing is angels? No, it's just more Christmas ones. Wait, I think this way. There we go. She definitely loved her Christmas. I feel like I say that in every single video, but it's very true. I keep finding Christmas stuff in every single bin we've gone through. So that is great for all you Christmas crafters out there, because I'm not a huge Christmas crafter. Oh, the bows, those are really cute. Oh, a lot of people were asking what these metal dies do. Wait, what's that? Oh, it's like a kid sledding, and I can't tell. So these are called metal dies. They are used to cut the shapes out of paper. So we lay these metal pieces, almost like a stencil, on top of a sheet of paper and run it through what's called an embossing machine or a die cutting machine. And it applies pressure. You could like hand crank it. They make electric ones too, but you basically crank it through and it cuts into the paper, the shape. And then you get like these cute little cutouts that you can use for focal points on greeting cards. For scrapbooking, people make all sorts of stuff. I mean, they even make specific dies for like fabric and leather. You can make little boxes and purses and all sorts of cute stuff. I do plan to do a bunch of crafting videos as well. Either when this series starts to slow down or maybe end or somewhere in between. I've been filming one of these every day. Oh, wait. I didn't even realize. Oh my gosh. It's a cute little hedgehog and a fox. That is so stinking cute. Also, I don't know why I'm pulling them out instead of putting them back in. Aw, look at that. The beautiful dress. But yeah, definitely crafting videos coming soon. Most of them will be, Oh my gosh, I need those houses. I need those. Most of them will be on YouTube. So if you're watching on like TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, I will try to put obviously like shorter edited down versions over here, but the real long form sit and craft with me content. Oh my gosh, the fishies. This is my favorite bin so far. The feathers. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Dragon. A dragon. Look at that. Anyways, you can find our YouTube by searching, I think it's like at bottom of the bin _ or you can probably just type bottom of the bin and it'll come up. Or if all else fails, go to bottomofthebin.com, and all of our socials are linked over there, including our eBay, where whatever doesn't sell in our store or some stuff that we know will sell better on eBay will wind up over there. And then the rest will be, of course, available for purchase in person if you are local to the Tampa Bay area. So that was bin 11. I'm blown away as usual. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.